Hi, this is Ama Opari for Food for the Soul, and I'm here at Tallulah Gorge in North Georgia. A beautiful day. We've just hiked down, I don't know how many stairs, a lot of stairs we just hiked down. And so I thought I would take this opportunity to talk a little bit about what in the heck is vegetarianism. People say they're vegetarian and they mean all different types of things. Some people say, oh yeah, I'm vegetarian. I just eat a little chicken or a little fish. So what is, in fact, vegetarian? Well, vegetarian means you eat a plant-based diet. You eat only things that are plants, nothing with a face, nothing that had a mother. And vegan, which is what we are and what we advocate for, is that you don't eat anything animal at all. That means no eggs, no cheese, no dairy, because many times a vegetarian means they do still eat cheese or dairy. So anyway, vegan is nothing animal. And of course, if you go one step further, is raw food, which means you don't cook anything, you don't heat anything over 118 degrees. So eating things as close to natural. And so I always like to think of a diet continuum, which at one end you're eating meat, you know, a hamburger, meat-based. Most of your food is meat or animal-based. And on the other end is you go out and you pick that apple or those greens and you just eat it right there. So that's the whole continuum from one end to the other. And the goal is to get as close, as close to that end of the continuum as you can. We personally eat 100% vegan and at least 75% raw, if not more. So anyway, that's vegetarianism, veganism, raw food. I'm Ama Opari for Food for the Soul here at Tallulah Gorge in North Georgia in the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains. If you're of African descent and you're a vegetarian or interested in learning more about vegetarianism, come on over to foodforthesoul.opari.net, become a member, and join the conversation.